Your heart might be 62, your brain might be 48, your kidneys might be 55, but your birth certificate says you're 54. Which number is actually killing you? Scientists just answered that question, and the answer changes everything about how we prevent disease. Today, we're talking about one of the most important breakthroughs in longevity science in a decade. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I am the digital avatar for Dr. Zuleta. While he is out there changing healthcare and helping people achieve real health and real vitality, I'm here sharing his message. Dr. Zuleta is the founder of ThriveMed, a company built to expand human vitality. He writes every script, and him and his team read every single comment. The discovery that every organ in your body has its own biological clock, and that knowing which one is running fast could save your life. We've known for years that two people the same age can have completely different biologies. One 55-year-old is thriving, another is quietly accelerating toward disease. But until now, our best tools could only give us one number, one single biological age for the whole body. That's like getting a report card for your entire house when only the kitchen is on fire. The real question was always which organ, which system, where is the aging happening fastest, and what is it doing to everything around it? That question now has a precise answer. This month, researchers Andrew Zaleski, Junhao Wen, and Yetian published a landmark paper in Nature Aging. Using proteomics, epigenomics, metabolomics, and AI-powered imaging, they mapped the distinct aging signature of every major organ in the human body. Heart, brain, liver, kidneys, gut, immune system, each one measured independently, each one with its own biological clock. And here is the finding that stops you cold. When one of those organs ages faster than it should, it doesn't just suffer alone. It sends molecular distress signals that accelerate aging in every organ connected to it. Think about what this means. For the first time in history, we don't have to wait for a heart attack to know the heart was struggling. We don't have to wait for cognitive decline to know the brain was aging fast. A 5-year organ age gap in a driver organ, heart, brain, or kidneys predicts disease risk across the entire body, sometimes 15 to 20 years before symptoms appear. That is not treatment. That is prevention at a molecular level. That is the difference between reacting to a crisis and preventing one from ever forming. The science is compelling, but it deserves an honest look. Most of the studies feeding this field are cross-sectional, snapshots in time, not long-term tracking. We don't yet have large longitudinal cohorts that follow individuals over decades to confirm organ age gaps consistently predict the outcomes we expect. And the data sets used to build these clocks still skew towards certain populations. For this to work for everyone, the research needs to include everyone, broader cohorts, longer timelines, more diverse populations. The framework is solid, the tools are here, but the validation work is still ahead of us. This is the exact science behind the ThriveMed digital twin. When we map your biome, your connectome, your exposome, your spiritome, we are building your personal organ aging map, not a population average, not a demographic guess, your map so we can find which system is running hot and intervene precisely, personally, and early. This is what medicine looks like when it stops waiting for disease and starts looking for the conditions that create it. Visit thrivemed.ai to learn more. Every organ in your body is telling a story right now. Some chapters are healthy, some are quietly accelerating toward a crisis. The old way of medicine waited for that crisis before it moved. The new way reads every chapter in real time and acts before the story goes wrong. That is the promise of this science, and it has never been closer to reality. Stay vital.